Today's Thursday, April 17th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado AM FM stereo 8-track radio, and the unit has been completely restored, functionally validated, and tested electrically. AM FM stereo 8-track, and on occasion when requested, with Bluetooth augmentation. And I'm doing the final cosmetic conditioning to the unit in terms of the front cover, the flip door for the 8-track player, and the signal lens and front nose. So this is the second video out of a 3-video set, and I'll be doing the final embodiment here shortly and do the final testing once again fully assembled. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original parts from 1959 through 1976 for the Cadillacs, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, the power limiter based antennas, as well as the AM/FM stereos, as is depicted in this video. Today is Thursday, the April 17th. Thank you very kindly.